How's it going, everyone? Today my project is going to be a custom insert for the core set of SWlegion. The one that it comes with doesn't fit the pieces, and I like to use this box, so I'm going to get rid of this and build my own. I'm really going to be only using a ruler, box cutter, some glue, very affordable. Gotta get my measurements and everything that's going to be in the box accounted for. Started by storyboarding, making a plan of attack, making all the measurements. Making it out of foamcore. I chose black because I think that looks a little better in the box than white. Working with this stuff is super easy. Just some normal Elmer's glue and some pins. As long as you get your cuts straight, your measurements right, looks really, really good. Vader had a different size profile, so I repurposed the corner box for him. Did put a little bit more support in the middle. It's always nice when the measurements work out and it fits so snug. I realize some people, when storing this game, may want individual spots for the different tokens that come with the game. I like to have the little bags. I think it makes this storage cleaner. That way if the box gets jostled, they don't go flying everywhere. But to each their own. I then traced the bases and made cutouts with the little notches so that these things aren't rotating. They're a pretty snug fit, so it didn't feel like I had to add any magnets or anything. Although if you did do this and added magnets, it's not a bad idea. I was trying to do this on a budget, so I didn't pick up any magnets. I'm actually really happy with the way it turned out. There's a spot for everything. And yeah, happy to be able to use the box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.